Okay, so the first step is you're going to take the color crayon that matches your table. So for instance, if you sit at red table, you would get a red crayon. And very simply, you're going to take the crayon and just make some lines, a squiggly line. Don't lift the crayon off the table and off your paper. Keep it there. And then you're going to connect it at the end. So what you get is you get a big squiggly line. Okay? Then you're going to take the crayon and go over the line. Once you've got that first initial line down, you're going to go over the line to darken up that line, and that's going to help to make it pop out as we get further into the project. Now, once you've done that, the next step is going to allow you to use all the crayons. Now, the only crayons you have right now are the warm colors and the cool colors, which are red, orange, and yellow to match your tables in that first row, and then the cool colors of green, blue, and violet, which match the second row, and then the extra crayons you have a brown crayon and a black one, and those are just extras that you can use. Once you've gone over your entire swiggle and you've darkened up the line, you see how it's starting to stand out a little bit more? That's what you want. You want it to really pop out so you can see it. The next step after you do that is you're going to use whatever colors you want, but you can only use one color in each one of these little sections. So don't mix colors in your sections, and you're going to make patterns and designs in each one. So it can be any kind of designs you want. It can be stripes, it can be circles, it can be puppy paws, okay? It can be anything you want. So you've got your lines darkened up, and then the next step is you just start making patterns. So in this one, I'm just going to do simple stripes. Okay, so now I finished that section. Then I pick another color, and maybe in this one I'm going to do zigzag lines. So it doesn't matter what your pattern is, just make sure that you fill right out to all the edges. You're going to keep going, filling in every single section. Then, once you've completely filled all of your little sections, the final step is to take your favorite color out of the colors that you have at the table and color in your background. And the background, remember, is the area around your design. So you color in and see how it pops out? And that's simply it, was just doing squiggles with lines. Okay?